Pet peeve ko talaga yung ganitong ugali in public. Mapa-airport man o kung saan, nakakasuka sa pagkawalang class. Apaka-unhygienic din. Please lang, wag tularan. I agree with everything said in this title. Generally, people can do whatever they want to do as long as it doesn't hurt others. And in this specific instance, it does put others off. It is unhygienic and hindi dapat siya sinusundan. Another pet peeve sa airport at public transo, bukod sa ganitong kadugyutan, ay yung mga ubo ng ubo at bahing ng bahing na hindi man lang nagtatakip ng bibig. I think the key word here is really just hygiene, health, and everybody's safety. I think we should be putting that at the top whenever it comes to how we behave in public. I don't think it should be about class. In general, hygiene, health, and safety of others, yun, wala tayong gray area dun. It's pretty straightforward. When you're in public, please be more mindful. Don't do this. I guess also to a certain extent, I understand na ganit lang talaga si OP, kaya niya nasabi ito.